Getting away from everything feels good.
Yeah, it does.
When I left home, the maid asked me where I was off to. I said, wherever, whatever. Have a nice day.
You had a maid?
Yeah.
If I had a normal family and a good upbringing, then I would have been a well-adjusted person.
Depends on what you call normal.
Yeah, it does. Well, you know, normal, like a mom and a dad and a dog and shit like that. Normal. Normal.
So you didn't have a normal dog?
No, I didn't have a dog.
You didn't have a normal dad?
Didn't have a dog or a normal dad anyway, yeah. That's alright. I don't feel sorry for myself. I mean, I feel like I'm, you know, well-adjusted.
What's a normal dad?
I don't know. I'd like to talk with you. I mean, I'd like to really talk with you. And we're talking right now, but, you know, I don't know. I don't feel like I can be... I don't feel like I can be close to you. I mean, we're close. Right now, we're close, but, I mean, you know...
How close? I mean...
I don't know, whatever.
What?
What do I mean to you?
What do you mean to me? Mike, you're my best friend.
I know, man. I know I'm your friend. We're good friends, and it's good to be, you know, good friends. That's a good thing.
So
I just... That's okay. We can be friends.
I only have sex with a guy for money.
Yeah, I know.
And two guys can't love each other.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. I mean, for me, I could love someone even if I, you know, wasn't paid for it. I love you and you don't pay me.
Mike.
I really want to kiss you, man. Good night, man. I love you, then. You know that. I do love you.
All right.